Might very well be asking, who is this English guy shouting at me this evening? Well, my name's Gareth Dyke. I work for Research Square. I've just been working also with EdAnts, the EdAnts Learning Lab. I worked as an academic for more than 20 years in the UK, in the United States, in Ireland, and now in Hungary. I've published almost more than 300 academic papers. And I also work as a journal editor. I work as a journal editor with Taylor and Francis with the journal Historical Biology. So I'm hoping that in this presentation, we'll be able to help you, guide you, share with you some insights on the kinds of ethical issues that researchers tend to face in the publishing process. Now, we're all aware of this. We write papers, we submit them to journals, we get them back after peer review, we then revise and resubmit. Hopefully those papers get accepted and then they pass into production. But the point of this training, the point of this webinar today is to talk about some of the pitfalls, some of the issues, some of the ethical considerations around doing research and getting research submitted and published in international journals that often we find researchers are unaware of, unfortunately. So our aim with this training is to help you to be aware of these issues so that you can avoid them, not fall foul of them in your own research and publishing journey. So this is what I like to call the research and publishing hamster wheel. I don't know if you've ever had a pet hamster, goes around and around and around on a wheel. You come up with an idea, you try to get funding, you collect data, you then select a journal to get that research work published in, you then write the paper, you then go for the submission, and then you go into the peer review and publication process. And then you go round and around, and again, you go with more of your ideas. But our point, as I mentioned, is to talk about some of the issues that researchers often encounter in the research and publishing cycle. So